one is the one where I'm wearing my dad's uniform.
Okay.
Because I love his uniform, I love his cap, and that's why I'm standing also, like this. Because it comes with so much of proud and pride that Air Force people carry, and I just got my dad's uniform for it.
Superb. So, your dad's in defense
Yeah, he's
department.
retired now. He was in Air Force, and he retired now.
Okay. So, basically, where are you?
I'm from, so my parents are from Odisha, but I have never lived there. And my dad got posting, so I've lived all over India.
Okay.
5 years, 4 years, 5 years, 4 years. So I've traveled all over.
Okay. So, don't you like defense? Like your dad?
Yeah, I like defense. I wanted to get into defense, but I felt I used to not like when I used to get tanned and when I used to get dirty with dust. I think it's not for me. I'm moreover someone who would moisturize my skin and stay at home. I was a tomboy, but later when I grew, I changed.
గ్లామర్ కాపాడుకోవడానికి ఇంట్లో ఉండటం, గ్లామర్ ఎవరైతే కాపాడతారో అదే ఫీల్డ్ ఇష్టం. లైక్ యూ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు డిస్టర్బ్ యువర్ గ్లామర్ అట్ ఆల్.
I always wanted to look beautiful and dress up, and my favorite thing was dressing up, getting new dresses, and so my brother lives in London.
Okay.
So from there I used to get things which we don't get in India, like corsets and dresses, gowns which we don't get in India and things like
Your dress is from?
This is from India. This is from Hyderabad, but this one's from India. But he is coming now, so he's coming with a lot of gowns and dresses.
Oh, very nice. I should see your wardrobe one day.
Yeah.
And what is this?
Yeah, so this is, I used to perform in every Ganesh Puja in Delhi. So this is in Delhi, and this is Marathi people who used to organize a cultural function for children. And this is the first prize that I've got, this trophy. And that I lived in Delhi for 5 years, and 5 years continuously I was first, every year.
Okay.
Every Ganesh Puja.
So you like dancing?
Yeah, I'm a Kathak dancer, and this I did Kathak and old classical music. So I love old classical songs.
Okay, ఇంత చిన్న ఏజ్ లో అంత పెద్ద ప్రైజ్, such a big prize in a small age.
Yeah, if you see my Bangalore house,
Yeah.
you will see like 30-40 big trophies in my house.
30 to 40?
Yes, and medals I think 50, and
Okay.
cups I think 10-15 cups for sports. So I was always this girl who was so active and since childhood.
Enthusiastic
Yes.
and energetic.
Very competitive. If there's a competition, I want to go and win it.
Okay, which kind of competitions you used to
Dance
go?
competition,
Okay.
drawing,
Okay.
rangoli, and singing, and sports. I was good at sports. I used to run for 800 meters and 200 always first, and I was a good swimmer. I used to
Oh.
do skatings. I
Oh.
still do skating, so I can still do skating. I'll do in some of my films.
మీకు రంగోలి కూడా వచ్చా?
Yes,
వెరీ
I
నైస్.
know rangoli also. I got some prizes also in rangoli.
ఓకే, ఇంటి నిండా ప్రైజెస్ ఉంటాయి.
Yeah, a lot of prizes, but mostly dancing.
ఓకే, సో యూర్ క్యూట్.
This is, I think this is my.
You have pink blush on your cheek.
Yes, my mom has done my. So since childhood, I used to love this blush and little lipsticks. I think this was my birthday. I think 4th birthday. And
4th birthday.
Yeah, 4th birthday, and this was in Bangalore, and my mom she dressed me up for this, and yeah,
Cute.
she used to do a lot of makeup and stuff.
ఈమె చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి మేకప్లు, లిప్స్టిక్లు అప్పటి నుంచే స్టార్ట్ చేసిందంట.
Yes. Yeah, makeup used to. This is for some event that I wore, and this is also some photo shoot, some event.
కాదండి, మేకప్ నిన్ను ఇష్టపడుతుందంటే యా అంటారేంటండి అంటే నమ్మేస్తున్నారు. ఐ లైక్ యూ. ఐ సెడ్ ఐ లైక్ యూ.
Thank you. I'm so happy. I'm blushing.
సో బ్లషింగ్, బ్లష్, ఫుల్ బ్లషింగ్, all over pink.
That is why girls supposed to blush a little.
Okay, and this says the actress is here.
Yes. This is my entry in Telugu film industry. This was
Okay.
for I think audio launch of 4 letters,
Okay.
and
Your-
my styling and everything mom did. So that time I didn't have a stylist. Now I do.
Okay.
But that time my mom, even now, even if I have a stylist, my mom will see if this
Yes.
is good or not, and she will change things. She will tell the stylist I don't like this, and she will get everything changed.
Actually, she's very good at maintaining your looks. You know her? But that's
so this
curly
today's
hair
styling
and
is
all.
mom's styling.
Amazing. So, what kind of memories you have with your mom in childhood?
When I remember what she tells me when I was 1 or 2 years old, and when songs used to play in the house, I used to be like jumping. So she understood that I love dancing because I used to react on music.
Okay.
So she was so sensitive about me. Then when I was 3 years old, she made me do my first dance, and she used to teach me like you have to do like this and look like this and smile. She used to teach me every bit and expressions with steps. So I think what I have become today, giving expressions and dancing and things, because of that only I got selected in the film. I think it's all because of my mom. She wouldn't have done so much into me, and I don't think.
For which song she trained you in your childhood?
My favorite was Madhubala's Mohe Panghat Pe. This from Mughal Azam. This one. Mohe Panghat Pe Nand Lal Chhed Gayo. She used to teach me all this. Chhed Gayo, you have to do like this. And Gayo Re, and expressions, every bit of. And there was one thing that Madhubala does when she gets up, when she puts her ghungat out, and then she looks like this, and this also she has taught me. One nakhra, one expression that that those actresses used to do. And Rekha's song, one song is there, I Karke Singar, which is on Vishnu's avatar of Mohini avatar she takes, and she kills 2 Rakshas.
ఆమె మోహినిగా ప్లే చేశారంట అంటే రాక్షసి అందాల రాక్షసి మోహిని ఈజ్ ఎ గ్లామరస్ లేడీ
Yeah, Mohini is a Apsara.
అప్సరా
Yes.
సో యూ గాట్ యువర్ నేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ మోహిని అప్సరా రాణి
So RGV sir gifted me my name, but I think that is something that suits me. So this is another song of Rekha that I did. This one, I karke singar rang roop. This was also classical. So I've always done classical, Indian classical dancing since my childhood. That is my forte. If you ask me to do Kathak, I'll just do it. That is my forte. I have learned Kathak for 5 years. So. And that also, mom only used to take me to classes. My Guruji used to teach me and things like that. So she has worked a lot since my childhood. You can see this, and there's like so many. When you come to my Bangalore house, I will show you so many things. This also interviews, this also dance when I used to do. So my brother, he's a proper non-dancer, okay? So when I used to dance on stage, he used to be so happy that he used to dance like down the stage, and those kids used to dance, he used to say, Meri bhani, down like that. So and now also he's coming back from London because he's so excited about my films.
ఓకే
So, my family and my dad used to always, before my stage performance, my dad used to sit and used to be like, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा, that direction part, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कमी है, this step you have to do more clarity and things. So, everyone in my family has put their efforts, for me becoming an actress. Otherwise, it wasn't possible.
ఓకే చూసారా అమ్మా ఎక్కడున్నావు మా చిన్నప్పుడు ఆమె గెంతితే ఈమె హీరోయిన్ అవుతుందని వాళ్ళ అమ్మగారు కనుక్కున్నారంట మరి నేను గెంతాను చిన్నప్పుడు ఇన్ మై చైల్డ్హుడ్ ఐ యూస్ టు జంప్ మై మదర్ డిడ్ంట్ రికగ్నైజ్ మీ యాజ్ అన్ యాక్ట్రెస్ why I don't know all kind of
because I think my mom, she's so beautiful, she wanted to be an actress, I think.
Okay, she wanted to be an actress.
Yes, she wanted to be, and she was more beautiful than me when she was young. She had this milky skin and better skin, better beautiful. She was way more beautiful than me, but she couldn't fulfill her dreams because her parents were a little conservative, shadi karwa diya, and they didn't support her to grow her talent. I think that is what she understood, that meri beti, she wanted a girl, okay? First it was a boy, and then she prayed to God, I need a girl. So mujhe hamesha she says tujhe bahut maang ke tu mili hai. So what dreams she had for herself, she is trying to fulfill her dreams through me. So that is why she's so serious about my career.
Acha, very nice.
What? You're acha, very nice. I'll teach you something, you'll do it? So you want to become an actress? Yeah, I'll teach you something, you do it, okay?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు చేస్తే యాక్ట్రెస్ అవుతానా
So I'll teach you a very funny thing. It is like a funny gesture that any girl can do. Okay, look at me. How do you know what I'm doing?
Okay.
Just learn and then do.
Okay, teacher, come on.
I'm a very strict teacher, huh? Okay, so this is a funny. So you need to have this smile and big laugh, okay? So you first you will
Okay.
So there's just that. You first have to take a big smile and then you have to blink. That's my style of blink.
Okay, I'll do now. Come on, guys.
Okay, never mind. You want?
Okay, thank you. బాగా చేశానా?
Huh?
బాగా చేశానా? टीचर, how did you like that teacher?
Very good, 100%.
100%. Okay.
पहली बार इतना झूठ बोल रही हूँ मैं live. Okay, it's nice. It's very cute. What you did was very cute.
Okay, it's cute అంట. అందరూ ఒకేలా చేస్తారా? నేను క్యూట్ గా చేస్తా.
Yes.
ఓకే ఓకే మీరు బెంగళూరులో మీ ఇంటికి రమ్మంటున్నారు చాలా సార్లు. యూ ఆస్క్ మీ టు కమ్ టు యువర్ బెంగళూరు హౌస్. డూ యూ నో కుకింగ్? విల్ యూ ప్రిపేర్ సంథింగ్ ఫర్ మీ?
I cook very well.
I eat very well.
I cook very well, but I'm not allowed to eat because you know I'm getting a lot of fat if I'm eating.
పాపం, but I'm allowed.
Okay, come, I'll cook something for you then.
Oh,
Yeah, come.
what's happening in my life, Ray?